शुक्रारा दीस वास्को पुलिसांनी एका तरणाट्याक दुबाव आयिल्ल्यान धरलो. वास्को पुलिशेक दुबावीत मनीस गोंयांत वावुरता अशी म्हायती CISF कडल्यान मेळिल्ली. त्याच फाटभुंयेचेर वास्कोन एकटो वावुरतना वास्को पुलिशेक दिसलो. तो म्हत्वाच्या आस्थापनांचे फोटो काडटालो. ताका पुलिशेन धरून ताचे कडेन चवकशी करतना वेगवेगळ्या नांवांची वळखपत्रां मेळ्ळी. फट नांवांनी सगळे कडेन भोंवपी मनीस आतंकवादी ना जाल्यार तांकां मदत करपी तांचो खबरो आसपाक शकता असो पुलिशेक दुबाव आसा, अशी म्हायती सुनीता सावंतान दिल्या.
Preliminary investigations have shown that from 9th of June, this person travelled by flight from West Bengal, Damdam Airport to Hyderabad, from Hyderabad to Delhi, from Delhi to Goa, Goa to Mumbai, and from Mumbai again back to Goa by bus, and on the same day from Goa to Delhi, and in Delhi he stayed for 2 days. And yesterday early morning he took a flight from Delhi and landed up to Goa airport at 7 a.m. in the morning. He had been to Vasco where he refreshed himself, took breakfast, and again went back to airport in order to fly back for Mumbai. So in this short span of 4 days he has travelled everywhere by flight, and moreover from Goa to Mumbai, Mumbai to Goa, and again going and coming by bus. All needs to be probed into. And so we have invoked most of the agencies related to security for investigation with us. We'll be seeking the remand for more thorough investigation into the matter. Dabolim Airport Police Station आम्ही ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केला on the complaint of one Mr. Amit Shukla, who is the inspector of Central Industrial Security Force, kept employed at Dabolim Airport. They found one person moving in suspicious manner, clicking photographs. Upon intercepting the person, he could not give his proper identity. When searched, they found him carrying identity in 2 names with the same photograph, his own photograph. One in the name of Khurshid Alam, native of Paraganas, Kolkata, and another in the name of Mr. Sheikh Imran, native of Kolkata. He also was carrying a number of bus tickets from West Bengal to Dhaka. Preliminary inquiries, investigation showed that he was using the fake ID card in the name of Sheikh Imran, having booked flight tickets in that same name and had travelled. So we have registered offence of impersonation 419, using the fake ID as genuine and booking tickets under 471, and that's how he's cheating the airlines as well as security agencies. In order to find out more details, we have been seeking his remand.